When we started Landform 25 years ago, we wanted to redefine the way site design firms functioned. Following an architectural model, we formed trusted partnerships with our clients and built lasting relationships. Later, forming multidisciplinary studios focused on specific market segments, we were able to develop advanced skill sets that contributed tremendous value to our clients and their projects. Today, Landform is focused primarily on the private development market, but we have expanded to bring that same market expertise to serve public sector clients. In turn, we found our public sector clients and staff add immeasurable value to our private sector projects. Our three studios are retail and commercial design, residential design, and planning and urban design.
Each of our studios focus on a particular market segment, which allows them to truly understand the market and craft real solutions to meet our clients' needs.
Landform provides a full range of design services from site to finish, meaning our team of professional planners, landscape architects, civil engineers, land surveyors, and development managers work with our clients from project conception through construction. Our comprehensive design approach is based on our commitment to learning our clients' business to help them grow and succeed.
The Landform team is united in our values as they guide our day-to-day work and vision for the future. Quality, leadership, relationships, mentorship, and enthusiasm have been the cornerstone of who we are since the day we began, and we aim to see it through in everything we do.
Everyone in this industry understands the last 25 years have not always been easy, but it's a true measure of our relationships and our dedication to success that we have endured and continue to grow through these challenges.
Landform embraced new technology early and used those tools to expand the services we offer our clients. We have always looked for ways to add tremendous value to projects for our clients. We're looking forward to continued growth in emerging service sectors, leveraging technology in design, surveying, and project management. One of the newest technological endeavors is our aerial operations team, consisting of FAA Part 107 certified commercial drone pilots. The team combines the latest drone technology with top-notch industry software to produce premium content. The drone service enhances your marketing, changes the way you use survey services, and significantly saves your company time on your project during construction.
It was never our intention to be the largest firm in town, just the best.
Here at Landform, our most valuable asset are our employees. We have an ownership transition plan in place so that outstanding team members have the opportunity to grow into leadership and ultimately ownership positions. Landform is committed to providing opportunities for professional and personal growth.
We look forward to another 25 years of helping our clients succeed and create those memorable places.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you to our employees, clients, and partners for 25 years of great projects. We look forward with excitement to the next chapter.